Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. You are watching Through My Eyes Beauty and it is good to be back. Today I am bringing you a review of the It's My Raye Raye, the new palette collection. Y'all know me, I'm cheap, so I don't know how I feel about actually doing swatches. I'm probably not going to do swatches. Swatches are all over her Instagram video, but I will let you know. I purchased her last palette with the contour, highlight, and the eyeshadow shades and the mirror, all that great stuff. I absolutely love it. I still use it to this day, and I haven't even put a dent in that bad boy. I'm already loving it. So I have very high expectations for this one. If you would like to see how I got this look, and I also show this look in natural lighting. My lighting is not the best. Again, I'm getting ready to move. I'll give you guys a whole explanation about where I've been, why I've been gone. It's been a mess, y'all. Actually, I'll do a couple swatches. I'm sorry. I just have to. I've been wanting to touch this green anyways. Oh, 2 shimmers, 2 mattes. My goodness. Wow. I'm trash. I am so trash. But here are a wow. I might have to just insert the swatches later. Well, I tried. Again, I'm trash. But for some strange reason, what I will say is this palette retails for $17.50. Her last palette with all the other stuff in it was $22.50. For some strange reason, Ulta charged me $22.50 for this as well. I'm gonna need Ulta to run me my money. So without further ado, let's get it popping. Well, I've got you all brought in. Please ignore the creasing up underneath my eyes. I was trying something new with the concealer and I do not like it, but that will not interfere with this eyeshadow review, so I'm just gonna keep it moving. So I'm gonna start off with placing Brick all over my eyes. And I just realized I am totally tripping because I forgot to put down some translucent powder underneath my eyes in case of fallout. To see, I just packed that color all over my lid. I did not receive any fallout, but just in case, going back in with Brick, concentrating on that lash line and then bringing it up and blending out the edges. So as you can see, there's a gradient, there's a lot of color payoff there, and then it just blends its way on up. After that, I'm going to go in with a tapered blending brush and go into Flare. And I'm going to go directly in the crease with it. Building and blending. And the idea of this is for that Brick shade that I put on initially to look like both my lid shade and my transition color. I want it to be a very gradient effect from my crease to that transition color. And I'm just building it up a little bit more on the edge here. And you can kind of see what I'm going for. It doesn't look the most blended or the most flattering in this light, but I promise you it's going to come out and look beautiful. Going back with that first dome head brush with Brick again all over the lid, just building and bringing back that color. Going in with a little translucent powder, I'm going to blend out the edges of both sides. And this is just the featherweight brush, the featherweight blending brush from Sephora. A brush that is like it, that I love to use for the diffusing of eyeshadow, I like to use the It Cosmetics blending brush. It also has like a little head just like this, very soft, and because it doesn't do a great job of depositing color, it does a good job of blending and diffusing the edges of anything that I want. Taking a flat, dense shader brush, I'm going to go in with Flare on my bottom lash line. Only going about 2/3 of the way in, keeping this area in the front free. And then going in with a soft smudger brush with Brick once again, just to blend out Flare. Once again, going in with a synthetic lid brush. I'm going in with this, actually I feel like I don't want to set it up like that. I want to clear out this space right here, I think I want to clear out this space just a little bit so I can add in that canary shade. So whatever left I have on my concealer brush, again, this is not meant to cut a crease or anything. I'm just clearing up this area just a little bit, so when I go to put the shade, it doesn't have to fight too much with the other colors. Bringing that canary shade down slightly through the eyes there and blending it upwards, and then going in with the opposite side. Just gonna tap into canary once again, and I feel like I just want to bring that up and blend it up and out there. Lastly, with this soft shader brush, I'm going to go in with Shinin' and apply that as a brow bone highlight, which may or may not make sense seeing as how this is a all matte look, but I felt the need to give y'all a little bit of shimmer just to see what it would do. I feel like it might have threw it off, but it's fine. Yeah, it was a little dark, but whatever. Alright, so this is the final look. I decided to do the video in front of open or natural light because it just was not showing everything in the current lighting that I have. I will have that fixed in my next video. I'm in the process of moving, so that is why things aren't in my normal setup. But what I used for my lashes, I used the Allure Luxe lashes in Opulent, and then I used the Maybelline Snapscara. I went in with a teal eyeliner pencil from NYX, and for my lips I used a Sephora brown lip liner and a mini Pat McGrath lipstick in Full Panic. It is beautiful. It is matte, and I thought it would go really well with all this spring concept. Overall, how I feel about the palette, I am not disappointed. I would have never thought to create this look without having these colors right here in front of me. I had to fight not to use the green and teals because y'all know those are my colors. I feel like there's going to be many possibilities to go on with this. This is the perfect spring palette. I think it's very versatile. I think it's very pigmented, and you will definitely see this in future videos. In the meantime, in between time, don't forget to subscribe, comment and let me know what you think about this palette. Let me know if you're going to pick it up. That's all I have for you guys today. Be good, be smart, be safe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.